how to use Meta AI for making traveling plan, let's begin with the video. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, look towards the top right corner and tap on the messenger icon. Next, open the chat with Meta AI. Once you open the chat, you can start by telling Meta AI about your travel plan. For example, say something like, "Help me create a 7-day itinerary for Paris," and hit the send button. After you send your message, Meta AI will respond with suggestions including the best places to visit and top activities. Moreover, you can ask more specific questions such as, "Can you recommend budget-friendly hotels?" You can ask as many follow-up questions as you like. The more details you share, Meta AI will help you build personalized travel itinerary. Finally, once your plan is complete, you can take a screenshot, so you have your travel guide ready whenever you need it. And that's all. I hope this video helped.